guys, I'm gonna do a smash video. Ooh. Ooh, that is quite a bit of lag. Ooh, God, he's gonna knock me off. Do I find a sword? Do you think you're funny? Well, you're not. Oh, God, that's scary. Get lost, buddy. I'm out of here. No! I jumped off the edge by myself. What the heck? Grappling hook. What the heck? Why is there a creeper over there, you guys? Ow! No, I was trying to peace with you, buddy, but if you don't want to peace, fine. Oh, butthole. I'm trying to peace with you, buddy. Oh, no peace. Gosh. Thanks a lot, buddy. I was trying to peace, buddy. You know what that means. Yeah, go up the edge. Ow. Oh, you dumb. Oh, God. Gosh, freaking. What the? Where are you? Ow. Oh, gosh, you guys. Hey, you. Is this guy hacking? No, oh, yeah, you get double jump, dude. Men. Oh, okay. This is really awkward. You can hear my sister crying. Ow. Ooh. Legacy. Good. Yes. Good. IP will be in the description. Ooh. Goodbye, buddy. Goodbye, buddy. Yes, he went out there, that poor guy. Legacy. Ow, you dumb butt. Oh, butt. What's that dumb music? Ow! You little butthole. What do you think you are? Monkey? You monkey of a noob. Trying to shoot me off the edge is not such a... Oh my God, what the? What are you, a monkey? Double jump. Oh wait. Oh, God. God darn it, you dumb... I must have knocked, didn't I? But nobody... Look, somebody just spawned here. You can't beat me. Look at... Oh! Match over. Do you want another... Winners will be teleported in 15 seconds. Well, you lost the tournament. Better luck next time. Well, that's going to be the end of the episode. If you like Smash, please leave a like and a comment. Just leave a comment what you want tomorrow. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you later.